But right now, the man of the moment, yeah, the man who sold out the Eastwood Manor, okay? Okay? And I'm telling you, when I say sold out the Eastwood Manor, he sold out the Eastwood Manor. It is the company called Spar Bernstein. Once again, if you ever needed attorneys, you should have been there last night. It was one powerful room, not just with the people, but also some very powerful attorneys that showed up for Spar Bernstein and Linkup Media's Immigration and Law Forum. So we got to say much respect. Brad Bernstein in the building. We're going to be taking calls. A lot of people are going to be calling me today, of course, to get their questions in so that Brad can answer them. Brad Bernstein from Spar Bernstein. Welcome again. I know you want to say thanks to each and every one for showing up yesterday, but I got some questions for you on that. Okay, but go ahead.
Thank you very much for everybody showing up yesterday. Let's get to questions.
Yeah, everyone thinks that you're a comedian, man.
No, I mean, and just so you know, we will be announcing. We're going to do this again, probably in a few weeks in Brooklyn. As soon as we have the date set down. We will be announcing in the next few days. So Brooklyn, we're coming.
Okay. Once again, folks, we're talking about Immigration and Law Forum, which took place yesterday at the Eastwood Manor, 3371 Eastchester Road. All right, Steph, I'm going to go to the phone lines right now and take some immigration questions. Let's just knock them off. All right. Today's what day? Today's
Wednesday.
Damn.
Right. We gotta get off at 12:30 on the dot.
Yeah. Let's go.
Before Barbara yells at me.
You guys are terrible. Don't you ever mess with Miss.
I don't mess with her. I want to get off at 12:30. I know who is the most powerful, and it's not me. And I want to get off at 12:30. I'm not messing with her.
Oh man, you're the most powerful, man.
No, I'm not.
I say that to everybody.
Thank you.
Hello, caller. How you doing?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon today. What is your immigration question?
Hi, Mr. Bernstein.
Yes.
My question is, I have been here since 2004.
Yes.
And I'm currently working as a housekeeper. Is there any way my employer can petition for me?
Yeah, sure. They can sponsor you. They can file a labor certification. They can file a visa petition for you. You can be placed on a waiting list. And this is all going to be one big gamble for you because you're gambling what will be the law when you're eligible for your green card. Will you be able to get your green card here? Will you be able to go home? Depends on what happens with the law changes. But if that's all you have, going for you, it's better to do something than nothing.
So you're saying
absolutely file. Nothing bad will happen to you.
Go ahead.
And you are going to gamble what the law will be down the line.
Okay, so if she files for me, petition for me now, would I be able to get a work permit?
No.
Nothing at all?
Nothing.
Because right now I currently have an application form in already.
Okay, good.
So I have to just sit and wait.
Just sit and wait. Yep.
So nothing right now?
Nothing right now.
Okay, thank you.
The only thing I can tell you right now is that you still can get tickets for the Vintage Reggae Fest.
Okay.
Right?
And the other thing I can tell you right now is as we are speaking,
yes,
they are debating in the U.S. Senate the DREAM Act.
The DREAM Act. Let's hope we get an answer before the show is over. Let's take another call. But once again, folks, I got to remind you right now, call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK. Also, I can tell you this already. Start calling to make your reservations for the Brooklyn Immigration and Law Forum. It's coming to Brooklyn. It's coming to a well-known place. Just make the call, 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK. Make your reservations because last night was sold out in the Bronx. Can you imagine Brooklyn, the larger of the Caribbean communities and the immigrant communities? It's going to be crazy. So already I'm telling you. Let's go to the phone lines right here and take your immigration question on air. Brad Bernstein, top immigration attorney, will answer. I promise you, he will. Take away the baseball bat, Sean. Hello, caller. How you doing? All right.
Hello?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, man.
Yes, this is Jermaine Brown. I was calling because I got an immigration problem.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yes, I come here when I was 16 years old, me and my sister, under my father. My father been a citizen since I was like...
You got to talk about, you got to speak directly into the mouthpiece and a little bit louder.
My father been a citizen since I was like 10 years old. My father take us, me and my sister here when I was 16, she was 15. I'll say Niagara Falls. I had a lawyer down here that told me I was a citizen, but because I got myself into some trouble, which I'm into some trouble right now, they
How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm 27 now.
You're 27 now.
Where are you?
Yeah.
He's in trouble right now, and a lawyer said he was a citizen. Well, let me ask you a few questions, okay? Because I can't, based on what you told me, I can't make that determination yet. And the reason I can't make that determination is because the laws changed in February of 2001, and you fall under the old laws. So, where's your mom?
My mother is here, but she been here 5 years. She ain't got her citizenship yet. But my father been a citizen for.
Your mom and dad are married?
Yeah, they got married like 6 years ago.
Okay. When you were born, okay, your mom and dad were not married to each other, correct?
No.
Okay. Is your dad's name on your birth certificate anywhere?
Yes.
It is on this birth certificate. You're not a citizen.
Okay.
Okay. In order for you to have been a citizen, both your mom and dad had to have been citizens before your 18th birthday, or you had to be, your parents had to be married and divorced before your 18th birthday, or your dad's name could not be on the birth certificate and he couldn't prove paternity, but he's the one who brought you here, so I don't know how you're going to say he's not my father now. I mean, it doesn't even make any sense because the mother's not a citizen, so I just rambled on and didn't actually make sense for the last 10 seconds. The only way that your dad... It's one of those mornings. The only way that you're a citizen is if your mom and dad were citizens before your 18th birthday, or your mom and dad divorced before your 18th birthday and you were in the custody of your dad. Let's leave it at that. And you're not a citizen.
Yeah, but what I was saying is, if my dad was a citizen, he brought me here at 16 years old.
That doesn't make you a citizen. If you were now 16 years old and came here, that would make you a citizen, yes. But because of the time when you were under 18, you turned 18 before February of 01, before the laws changed. The laws were much tougher back then. So you are not a citizen based on what the laws were when you turned 18 years old.
All right, brother?
Okay, yeah, but I turned 18 before 2001.
I understand that. So you fall under the old laws. What that lawyer told you, whoever told you you're a citizen, is wrong. You're not a citizen. All right, I'm not here to debate you. It's a fact, and I'm terribly sorry. Trust me, I want to give you good news. I want to tell you you're a citizen. I'm not in the business of giving bad news, but I'm also in the business of being truthful to you. So if you are in trouble, what I would suggest you do is call 1-800-LAW-LINK and come down and talk to me a little bit about more. But you're not a citizen.
Where are you now? Where did you get in trouble?
I'm at Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, man. I'm sorry that Brad had to give you that news, but
that's the fact.
Yeah, it's the facts. If you need more help, just give a call, 1-800-LAW-LINK, and you can speak further. All right?
Okay.
All right. Hang in there, brother. All right. Once again, folks, this is the Immigration Law Link. Let's see if we can knock out some more calls. Got to remind you right now, people, the law offices of Spar Bernstein can help you. All right? Sometimes you get bad news, sometimes you get good news, but that's just what Brad has been trained to do in reference to the laws of the United States of America. But I will truly tell you that he is the best, okay? As the people who turned up for the forum noted and concurred yesterday. Give a call to 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. My name is Squeeze, and I'm in studios with an attorney. His name is Brad Bernstein. Let's go to the phone lines. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Turn your radio off for me and then pop your question. We only have 9 minutes left, all right?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I'd like to speak to the barber.
You got me.
Yeah, I applied for the labor application for 1 year ago almost. I mean, last August. So I didn't get any paper, any approval. So I'm still waiting. I don't know what to do.
Go ahead.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. I applied like last August for the labor application. I didn't get any paper for the immigration, anything, nothing there. So I don't know what to do.
What do you mean you applied for the labor certification? You have a lawyer who filed a perm application for you?
Yes.
Okay. You know for a fact it was filed last August. That was only about 90 days ago. It's not so long. Or you hired the lawyer 90 days ago. What are you saying? Or was it a year and 90 days ago?
Almost like 14 months ago. 14 months.
Okay. Well, what I would suggest you do is go speak to the lawyer and see what's going on. Did you run advertisements?
Yeah, he did. He did like twice in the newspaper.
Well, well, if you ran the advertisements, you should have probably have heard, based on the facts that you've told me. You should have heard one way or the other. So I would go speak to that lawyer. If you're unsure what's going on, come speak to me.